Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to look at how to create histogram in Excel. Yeah, this is pretty easy. We're not going to use the wrong process of coming to find about the classes, the mates. No, just direct. We'll use the built-in Excel charts, the histogram, that the statistics charts. Yes, so I show you how to do it. So the first thing is just highlight all the data, even the title, highlight it, go down up to there, then come to insert. On the insert, don't come to recommended charts, just click here. You see this part where it says insert statistic chart. Click there and select the first one, which is a histogram. And that's it. That's how you create the histogram. So the next step is to add an axis title. So this side will be frequency, and this other side will be statistics scores. And then we can add a good title which says maybe distribution of statistics score in SA 2 1. Yes, that is it. But now I want to show you something. So if maybe you have a question that says maybe create 5, 6, or 7 classes. These are the classes 1, 2, 3, 4. These are only 4 classes. So we can click here on this, the bottom one, then click format access, and then here bin, number of bins. You can come here and say I want only 6 bins. Yes, and it will change to 6 bins. You see, we have now 6 bins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since these will change, you can select on them and you can decide to come here on number here, down here we have number here. Click on number, and then you can say to say category. Click on the category and say maybe number still. There's more places too. Yeah, and that one will make it much appealing. And then you can extend. So before you extend, let's click on the data, the histogram. Come here and change the font to Times New Roman. Yes, you can leave it at 16 font. No mess, we change it. Then we can make it much wide, and yeah, you can adjust it, resize it. Yes, and that's our histogram. So you can decide, maybe you want to see the values, the frequency values. You can set the variables, and yes, that's how we create a histogram in Excel. Pretty easy. The next time I show you how to create it using data analysis tool pack. But today, that's it. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Yes.